The error code F16 in a Siemens washing machine indicates that the door is not locked correctly, often due to an obstruction in the door. To fix this issue, start by checking and adjusting the door to ensure it is closing properly. Inspect the door for any obstructions that may be preventing it from latching securely, and clear any items that are blocking the door. Verify that the door aligns correctly with the latch mechanism by gently pushing and pulling it to confirm it closes smoothly without resistance. Additionally, check for any loose hinges or misalignments that may be affecting the closure. If the issue persists, try resetting the machine by turning it off, disconnecting it from the power source, and letting it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. After resetting, plug the machine back in and turn it on to see if the F16 error code has been cleared. If the problem remains, inspect the door lock mechanism for any visible signs of damage, such as wear, misalignment, or broken components like loose connections or rust. If any issues are found, consider repairing or replacing the door lock, and then test the machine by running a short cycle to confirm the F16 error code has been resolved.